In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an AutoCAD DWG file to CorelDRAW in the easiest way possible. Whether you want to bring in a technical drawing, edit vectors, or prepare a design for further work in CorelDRAW, this method will help you get it done quickly and cleanly. I'll also show you a direct import option at the end, so you can choose the method that works best for your file. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open AutoCAD and load the DWG file you want to convert. Make sure the drawing is fully open and ready before exporting, because the next step is to save it in a format that CorelDRAW can read more easily. This is important since CorelDRAW does not always handle DWG files the same way as AutoCAD, especially if you want the best compatibility and accuracy. Once your file is open, type export into the command line and press enter. This opens the export process in AutoCAD. In the export dialog, you'll see different file format options. For the best results, choose a format like EPS or PDF. These formats are widely supported and usually preserve the shape and structure of your drawing very well. If your goal is to bring the artwork into CorelDRAW for editing, this is often the safest and most reliable method. After selecting the format, choose a location on your computer where you want to save the exported file. Give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. Then click Save. AutoCAD will export the drawing based on the settings you selected. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few seconds to complete. Now open CorelDRAW. Once CorelDRAW is running, go to File and then choose Import. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+I if you want a faster way to do it. This opens the file browser inside CorelDRAW. Navigate to the folder where you saved the EPS or PDF file from AutoCAD. Select the exported file and click Import. CorelDRAW will load the file and then let you click on the page to place it. Simply click where you want the drawing to appear and the file will be inserted into your document. From here, you can resize it, move it, and begin editing depending on the type of content and the export settings you used. If the file looks too large or too small, don't worry. You can easily adjust it after placing it on the page. In many cases, exporting as EPS or PDF gives you a much smoother workflow than trying to work with the DWG file directly. Now here's an alternative method if you want to try importing the DWG file directly into CorelDRAW. Open CorelDRAW again, go to File and choose Import. In the File Type dropdown, change the format to DWG. Then select your DWG file and import it directly. This can work well for certain files, especially if you want to test a faster workflow without exporting first. However, keep in mind that the direct method may not always give you the same level of compatibility as exporting to EPS or PDF first. So if you run into any issues, the export method is usually the better option. And that's it. You've now learned how to convert an AutoCAD DWG file to CorelDRAW using both the export method and the direct import method. This gives you a flexible way to move your drawings into CorelDRAW for editing, layout, or design work. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.